The residents of Bugongi in Kabale municipality, Kabale district are facing a serious challenge of poor garbage disposal. Many residents dispose garbage in open spaces along roads and drainage system. The waste attracts pests such as rats, harmful insects like flies, mosquitoes, which cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, malaria, and diarrhea. According to the LC1 chairperson, Mr. Bafachi Paul, poor disposal of garbage has caused diseases like cholera, typhoid, since some waste are disposed in water. He said that residents dispose garbage poorly due to lack of a permanent place where to dispose their garbage, since the government has failed to provide a place where to dispose their wastes.
Kibisingo nkebe bakondora kugira ngo birafise kurugamo nkamanyu konke bari kunago byo nurashanga buryo buvera buri mu pupu za pampas nenci hati byo nabigende bize nko mu mezi nko mu mpa hati birarete ndwara kibirete ndwara za nankazi ndwara zo kushasha munda za typhoid za ibyo byona isheshe byo mponi byo biraretwe ni mwisheshe ziraretwe mu n'uburwere bw'amani munonga hata abantu urasanga barashasha munda bwe bituke byo boy bataramane yo bugere buri kuletwa murongo burufu.
As a chairman, he has tried to write to the municipality leaders about the situation that is going on in Bugongi. According to Edwina Matama, the resident of Bugongi, poor disposal of garbage has caused floods, since some waste materials like plastic bottles, polythene bags are disposed in the drainage channels, and when it rains, water floods due to piles in water channels.
Konkaito kasasira te kubateganisa nkimwe nk'abatuze bahanuye
bikatutama ho za padi zihwa ho mutare na ngo zisiru reka ho wawe yine nkemuze rukuza kusibika nkemuze ninga bayisize ningo rukutameja no tuchiza maguru
yego
nichikoli aza ziwanyu musige twabone
kandi gwamazemo ekinuko tikikuba teganise ekinuko kikurugara
kandi injura bwe yagwa amezi gakarugoka mu bushozo wana agateraniza nagana tutubira twikira no turenda kuyikamaka amezi seri abwo buvera bukwasira umurindi kasiya yonera shuma mu gogo